everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this nightlight.
Star projector light. Here's everything. First, we have the user manual.
And here's the nightlight projector. This button here is the timer. If you want the lights to move, you press this one. This button here is for playing the music.
This button here is for previous track or volume down. And this one here is for next track or for volume up.
This button here is for changing the lights.
And this one here is for warm white light.
Remote control.
You can turn this on in 3 different ways. You can use batteries, or you can use USB cable that connect to your computer, or you can just simply plug it in. Here's the USB cable, and it's really long, which I really like. Okay, let's turn it on.
Wow, look at all the stars. It's amazing, Mom.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.